Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record your screen on iOS 15. In order to record your screen, you either need to click on Windows Shift S at the same time, or just on the print screen key and it'll open this tool at the top. Now you can select screen recording and you need to draw the area that you want to record. So you can select the whole screen or just a part of it, so I'm gonna select the whole without the taskbar. Now we can enable or disable the microphone and system sounds, so I'm gonna unmute both and click on start. Then you need to allow it access your microphone if you are using the microphone, and now it'll count down from 3 and start recording. So now you can do like whatever on your screen, it'll record everything. You can say stuff if the microphone is enabled. Then you can either pause the recording and resume it later, or stop the recording. So I'm gonna stop it, and now the recording is saved here. So you can see it works, and it is automatically saved to your screen recordings folder. You can also click on Open Snipping Tool Settings to change the location or turn off automatic saving. And now let's go to the settings, then go to let's go to the screen recordings folder. So let's go to File Explorer, then Videos, and screen recordings are found here. So this is how it works. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.